Fear. It's a primal instinct, hardwired into our brains for survival. It alerts us to danger, prompting fight or flight. But sometimes fear becomes contagious, spreading like wildfire through a crowd. This phenomenon, known as mass hysteria, is a powerful force, capable of gripping entire communities and shaping the course of history. Mass hysteria is more than just shared anxiety. It's a collective experience where fear itself becomes the primary threat. Imagine a crowded theater. Someone shouts, "Fire!" Panic erupts. People scramble for the exits, trampling each other in a desperate bid to escape. This is mass hysteria in action, a rapid, often irrational spread of fear and behavior. It's a stark reminder that we are social creatures, deeply susceptible to the emotions and actions of those around us. Understanding the mechanisms behind mass hysteria is crucial, not only to comprehend past events, but also to prevent future outbreaks. Why does fear spread so easily? Social psychologists point to several key factors. One is social conformity. We are hardwired to follow the crowd, especially in uncertain situations. When we see others panicking, our brains interpret it as a sign of danger, triggering our own fear response. This is amplified by the availability heuristic, our tendency to overestimate the likelihood of events based on how easily we can recall similar instances. Media, especially social media, plays a significant role in spreading fear. Sensationalized news stories and viral posts can quickly create a climate of fear and anxiety. This is further exacerbated by echo chambers, where people are primarily exposed to information that confirms their existing beliefs. In such environments, fear-mongering messages can spread unchecked, creating a distorted perception of reality. History is replete with examples of mass hysteria, each offering valuable lessons. The Salem witch trials of 1692 stand as a chilling reminder of how fear, fueled by superstition and social pressure, can lead to tragic consequences. What began with a few young girls exhibiting strange behaviors quickly escalated into a witch hunt that claimed the lives of 20 innocent people. In the 20th century, the War of the Worlds radio broadcast in 1938 demonstrated the power of media to incite panic. Orson Welles' realistic depiction of a Martian invasion sent thousands of Americans into a frenzy, despite repeated disclaimers that it was fictional. More recently, the spread of misinformation during the COVID-19 pandemic, often through social media, led to panic buying, distrust in authorities, and resistance to public health measures. The impact of mass hysteria extends far beyond fleeting moments of panic. For individuals, it can lead to psychological trauma, social isolation, and even physical harm. Communities can be torn apart by suspicion and distrust, as seen in the Salem witch trials. Economies can be disrupted by panic buying and market instability. Moreover, mass hysteria can erode trust in institutions and authorities. When people feel misled or abandoned during a crisis, it can have lasting consequences on social cohesion and civic engagement. Understanding the dynamics of mass hysteria is therefore not just an academic exercise. It's essential for building resilient societies capable of navigating crises effectively.